party was awesome. Yeah, well, ooh, the fire alarm. What are you thinking about? I'm thinking that I should pull it. Why would you want to pull that? I don't even know, but I always wanted to know. What does this sound like? We have fire drills every day. Why would you want to do that? I don't even know. Well, anyways, I'm gonna pull it. No, I don't. Oh, oh the fire alarms! It worked! We gotta get out of here! One minute later. Ah, you can leave Starfire. Oh, okay. Excuse me, Mr. Bunny. Yeah. But why is the fire alarm right there? Oh, I ripped it off the wall. Why would you do that? Because I want one. And it's fun to pull. Really? Yeah. And it's unlocked, so that's a code violation. You idiot. You're an idiot. You know that? How am I an idiot? I'm just curious. People. Anti-curious. Anti-curious. I don't care if you're curious. That is bad. We cannot have that in our school. I'm going to have to suspend you. Suspend me for what? Because you pulled the fire alarm. I know I pulled the fire alarm, but it was fun. You fucking idiot. Ow, 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 ow.